హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేకేఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. మీలో ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తుంటే దయచేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అండ్ మీరు thumbnailలో చూసినట్టుగా ఈరోజు మనం కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లేదా వైవా క్వశ్చన్స్ని మన ఛానల్ డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఇంటర్వ్యూ కమ్ వైవా క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. టాపిక్ బేసిక్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనకి కొన్నిసార్లు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అలాగే కొన్నిసార్లు డిప్లొమా బీటెక్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి వైవా క్వశ్చన్స్ లాగా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అలాగే మన కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్గా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అలాగే కొన్నిసార్లు 1 మార్క్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ 1 మార్క్ ఆన్సర్స్ని మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి కూడా ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ అనేవి మనకి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఈ ఆన్సర్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏమి ఇవ్వను, జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ రీడ్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఈజ్ మ్యాటర్? ఏ బాడీ విచ్ హ్యాస్ ఎ డెఫినైట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ విచ్ ఆక్యుపైస్ సమ్ స్పేస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ మ్యాటర్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్? The matter is found in 3 states. They are solid, liquid and gas. Question number 3. What is a molecule? The smallest particle of a matter which contains all the physical and chemical properties of that matter is called a molecule. Question number 4. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a matter which can take part in chemical reactions and can be separated by a chemical reaction but has no free existence. Question number 5. What do you know about atomic structure? Answer. The central part of an atom is called nucleus. It contains protons and neutrons, the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. Question number 6. Which one is the simplest atom? Hydrogen atom is the simplest atom. It consists of 1 proton and 1 neutron only. The electron revolves around the proton. Question number 7. What is an element? A matter composed of only one kind of atoms is called an element. Question number 8. How many types of elements are there? The number of elements found on the earth is 92 and nearly 22 elements are developed artificially in the laboratories. వాటిలో కొన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ నేమ్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. క్రూసియం, అమెరిసియం, ఐన్స్టీనియం, ప్లూటోనియం ఇలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ తయారు చేశారు. ఒకవేళ మీకు లిస్ట్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే ఈ వీడియోని పాస్ చేసి చూసుకోండి. Question number 9. What is a compound? A material composed of 2 or more than 2 types of atoms is called a compound. Examples: water, CO2 that is carbon dioxide, sodium chloride, etc. Question number 10. Which one is the smallest out of electron, proton and neutron? An electron is the smallest particle. It is 1845 times lighter than the proton. Question number 11. Does an electron and a proton have equal charge? Yes, but an electron has a negative charge of 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, while a proton has positive charge of same magnitude. Question number 12. What is an atomic number? The number of electrons or protons present in an atom is referred as an atomic number. Question number 13. What is atomic weight? Atomic weight of an atom is equal to the number of protons plus number of neutrons present in that atom. Question number 14. How will you define an electron? An electron is the smallest particle of an atom which are identical and has a charge of minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Question number 15. What is a current? The flow of electrons to a closed path is known as current. Question number 16. What is the direction of current flow? The current flows from a positively charged body to the negatively charged body, but the electrons move from negative to positive. Question number 17. What is the unit of current? The unit of current is ampere. If the rate of flow of electrons is 6.28 into 10 power 18 per second, the amount of current is said to be 1 ampere. Question number 18. What is an international ampere? The amount of current that can deposit 0.00118 grams of silver per second at cathode when passed through the solution of silver nitrate is called as an international ampere. Question number 19. How many types of currents you know? Based on my knowledge, I know the two main types of currents, DC and AC. DC means direct current, AC means alternating current. Question number 20. What do you mean by DC? Answer. The current whose magnitude and direction remains constant is called DC or direct current. Here frequency equal to 0. Question number 21. Do you have any idea about AC? Yes. The current whose magnitude and direction is alternating at a definite rate is called AC or alternating current. Question number 22. What are the main effects of electric current? As per my technical knowledge, there are three main effects of electric current. First one, heating effect, second one, chemical effect, and third is magnetic effect. Question number 23. Can you explain about heating effect of electric current? Yes. A current carrying conductor gets heated up during the flow of electrons due to resistance of that conductor. This is nothing but heating effect of current. Question number 24. Can you explain about the chemical effect of electric current? Answer. The flow of current through certain solutions produces a chemical charge in the composition of the solution. This phenomenon is referred as electrolysis. Question number 25. What is the magnetic effect of current? Answer. A current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. This effect will be found in transformers, generators, etc. Question number 26. What is an EMF? The electrical force which sets the electrons in motion is called as EMF or electromotive force. Question number 27. What do you mean by potential difference? The difference in potential developed across a conductor due to flow of current through the conductor is called PD or potential difference. Question number 28. What about the term potential? The work done in moving a unit charge from infinity to that point is termed as potential. Question number 29. Tell me the unit of voltage and EMF. Answer. Volt. Question number 30. What do you mean by 1 volt? A volt is an SI unit used to measure voltage given in a point in an electric circuit. A voltage difference of 1 volt drives 1 ampere of current through a conductor that has a resistance of 1 ohm. 1 joule of energy is required to move an electric charge of 1 coulomb across a potential difference of 1 volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Question number 31. What is resistance? It is the natural property of a material that opposes the flow of electrons through it is called resistance. Question number 32. What is the unit of resistance? Ohms. Question number 33. 1 ohm equal to how much? If 1 ampere of current flows through a circuit at an applied voltage of 1 volt, then the resistance of that circuit is said to be 1 ohm. Question number 34. What is the difference between EMF and potential difference? If the amount of current flowing in a circuit is 0, then the magnitude of PD is also becomes 0, but the EMF will not be 0. Question number 35. Speed of an electric current 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the light speed. Question number 36. What do you mean by static electricity? The electric charge produced by friction is known as static electricity. Question number 37. What is a conductor? The material which allows the flow of electrons through it freely is known as a conductor. Examples: copper, gold, aluminium, silver, etc. Question number 38. What is an insulator? The material which do not allows the flow of electrons through it is known as insulator. Examples: rubber, wood, glass, paper, dry air, etc. Question number 39. What is a semiconductor? The material which have the characteristics of both conductor and insulator is known as semiconductor. Example: germanium, silicon, gallium, etc. Question number 40. According to you, what properties does a good conductor should have? Answer: according to me, a good conductor should have the following properties: low resistance, low temperature coefficient, low cost, should be rigid, good thermal conductivity, high conductivity, ease of availability. Question number 41. What are the most commonly used conductors? The most commonly used conductors are copper, aluminum, silver, lead, tin, nichrome, eureka, tungsten, carbon, acidic solutions. Question number 42. Among all the above, which one is the best and economical conductor? Answer: copper. Question number 43. What are the properties of a good insulator? The properties of a good insulator are high resistance, high dielectric strength or breakdown voltage, ability to bear high temperature, should be water resistant and moisture free. Question number 44. Tell me the most popularly used insulators. The most popularly used insulators are dry air, asbestos, bakelite, glass, mica, wax, porcelain, rubber, plastic, PVC. Question number 45. Which one is the best insulator? Answer: vulcanized rubber. Question number 46. What do you mean by dielectric strength? The voltage bearing capacity of a dielectric is called dielectric strength. At certain amount of voltage level, the insulator loses its property and allows the flow of current through it. This is also known as breakdown voltage. Question number 47. What is bitumen? Bitumen is a chemical compound which softens on heating and is used for filling the junction boxes. It also acts as an insulator. Question number 48. What is a cable? A cable is an insulation covered conductor and an assembly of one or more wires running side by side or bundled, which is used to carry electric current. Question number 49. What are the types of cables based on insulation used? VIR, PVC, flexible, enameled, etc. What do you mean by grading of cables? The process of achieving uniform distribution of dielectric stress or voltage gradient in a dielectric of cable. There are two most common types of grading methods are used. First one, capacitance grading, second, intersheath grading. Question number 51. Classify the cables based on voltage levels. First one, low voltage grade up to 250 volts, medium voltage grade up to 650 volts, high voltage grade up to 11,000 volts. Question number 52. What do you mean by PVC? The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. It is a carbonic compound which appears and acts as an artificial rubber. Question number 53. What do you mean by PILCSTA and PILCDSTA? Answer: PILCSTA means paper insulated lead covered single tape armored cable. PILCDSTA means paper insulated lead covered double steel tape armored cable. Question number 54. Do you know the composition of the following alloys? Answer. Nichrome is an alloy of 80% nickel and 20% chromium. It is used for making heating elements. Eureka is an alloy of 40% nickel and 60% copper. It is used for making rheostats and wire wound resistors. Question number 55. What is soldering? Soldering is a process of joining two wires by covering the joint with a metal alloy of low melting point. Question number 56. How many types of solders do you know? Two types, hard solder and soft solder. Question number 57. Can you explain the terms hard solder and soft solder? Answer. Hard solder. It consists of copper, zinc and tin and silver. It is a silver solder. Soft solder. It has a low melting point and consists of lead and tin in the ratio of 90% to 10% or 10 to 19%. Question number 58. What is a flux in soldering? Flux is a paste or powder used for cleaning the surface of the joint to be soldered. Question number 59. How soldering is done? Soldering is done by electric soldering iron, blow lamp or dry cup and ladle. Question number 60. What type of solder is used for aluminum joints? Answer. ALCAP or ALCAZ solder and EYER7 flux are used in soldering of aluminum joints. Question number 61. What is the foremost precaution should we take while soldering? Answer. The soldering iron bit and the joint should be cleaned. Question number 62. What are the constituents of flux? Answer. Zinc chloride, aluminum chloride, resin, borax, olive oil, till oil, etc. So these are the 1 mark questions from basic electricity concepts. So let's meet in the next video with some more 1 mark answers with a different topic. Thank you for watching.